Ma'am, today we will do. Ma'am, today we will do SST. Good morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
children.
You are muted.
Yes, today we'll do English creative writing.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Take out your English creative writing copies. All right, children, tell me, have you done character?
Good morning,
profile?
ma'am.
Have you done
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Have you done character profile in creative writing?
Yes, ma'am. We have done character profile.
You have done character profile. Okay. So, whom did you write about in the character profile? Whom have you
Ma'am, we
written
have
about?
done that. Write about your character. Then my favorite cartoon character name is Doraemon. Like. Ma'am, we have done write a paragraph about your favorite cartoon or movie character and in about 100 words describe your favorite person.
Okay. Now, today what we'll do is, okay, let everybody join in. After 2 minutes, I'm going to lock the room also. I'll not let anybody in. Okay, children, today what we'll do is we will write the character profile of a person, of our favorite person. Now, suppose I tell you to write about the character profile of a person. What
We have
all?
done this.
Yes, beta, I know you have done this. I'm telling you had done about your favorite character, any cartoon character, any superhero, or anything like that.
Favorite person also.
Yes, you have written. Now, today, what you will do is you are going to describe a person of your life. Like it could be your father, it could be your mother, it could be your grandparents, or it could be your friend. Yes.
Ma'am, we have done this also.
You have done this also. Whom have you described?
Yes, ma'am. I have described my favorite. Ma'am, I have described my sister.
Okay, when you did the character profile, did you do the complete character profile about your sister?
Ma'am.
No.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have
Yes, ma'am.
better wait. You have that time you have written about your favorite person. What kind of a relation? I only made you do that work. What kind of a relation you do with that person? Sorry, what kind of a relationship you share with that person? Who that
Ma'am,
person?
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, speak, Kanav.
I have an elder sister. She is 10 years old. Her name is Ishika. I love her a lot. Her behavior is very nice. She reads in class 6th. She never misses her classes. Her hobby is reading novels. She is having a lot of novels in her cupboard. She has most of them as a gift on birthday. When I face any problem, I ask her and she finds a solution for me. I think that she knows everything and can do anything. I love to spend time with her. Ma'am, can I tell now?
Okay, very nice, Kanav. Now listen. I
Ma'am,
will
give
no.
some top.
What? What, Raina?
Ma'am, today we do character file.
Yes, character profile of your father. You will do the character profile of your father. Now, in that, what you're going to do, see, I'll share a screen with you. How you're supposed to write. Let me just explain you that.
Ma'am, please tell the topic. Ma'am, my father. Ma'am, your voice. Ma'am, your mic is. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Okay, can you see now? Can you see the screen? Okay. Now, today we are going to write about our father. We'll write about our father. How are you going to describe? You are going to describe the name. How you're going to describe him. So let's start with the name, age. Now, please don't start writing right now. Wait and listen to me. How you're going to do is, otherwise you will write his name is this, his age is this, he looks this, his profession is this. No, you're not filling a form. You have to write it nicely in a very descriptive paragraph. Suppose, say we are writing about a father. So how we are going to write? My father's name is so and so. He is a 40-year-old man. Then how he looks or what he does. Let's talk about the profession or his occupation. He is a businessman. Okay, he is a businessman. Then you can describe his business, or by profession, he is a teacher. You can tell about what he teaches, like he teaches in so and so school, he teaches so and so classes, he teaches so and so subject, like that. Then then how he looks. Let's talk about his appearance. How he looks. He is a very good looking man. He is a very tall, heighted person. He has wheatish complexion. He has got black hair. He's got brown hair, or anything. Even if a person is dark complexioned, explain him like the way he is. He has got big eyes. He's got a round face. He's got an oval face, or anything like that. Then he is tall, he is short heighted, he is a little fat person, or he has a very strong and nice personality, nice build, or he's a nice body. Then what you're going to do is, after describing him, you can talk about his hair, that he's got curly hair, he's got brown hair, which suits him a lot, like that. Then what kind of nature, what kind of habits he has. Like suppose, let's talk about your father is a very strict and disciplined kind of a person. Or if he's a very easygoing kind of a person. He's a very jolly natured person. You can tell that. He maintains a strict decorum at home. He maintains the house. He organizes things very well. Anything like that, you can write.
What are we doing, ma'am? Some network issue. I was able to join, ma'am.
Today, beta, I have told you to write about your father's character profile. In that, you are going to write a complete paragraph describing all these things. Then sometimes maybe your father likes or dislikes something. What he dislikes particularly, you can write that. What he likes to do. He likes to cook in free time. He likes to dance in free time. What kind of food does he like to cook, if he likes to cook anything? Or he's very good at making tea. Any particular thing if he's good at. He's a very good chef. Sometimes he cooks for all of us. What he does. Then what kind of hobbies, what hobbies does he have? Okay, you have to describe like this in a complete manner. So start writing about your father, including these points. And it should be a descriptive thing. Don't make it a form kind of a thing, like it looks like you have filled a form. Okay, it should not look like that. Yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of profession, occupation, and what you have written after that? Yes, ma'am, what is
Profession,
the meaning
nature,
of
nature. What kind of a nature he has. And profession and occupation is what he does. He's a businessman, or he is what he is by profession. He's an advocate, he's a doctor, he's a teacher. What he does.
Ma'am, please repeat again because ma'am, please repeat again because I am disconnected.
First, let me log the meeting. I'm just going to log the meeting now. Nobody will come. Meeting room. Yes. Then, okay, one more time I'm telling you what you're supposed to do. Can you hear me now, Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have to write about your father's character profile. Okay? Now, character profile. What? Now,
Ma'am
don't.
means
Yes.
ma'am means if we are lost and we have this paper, so we can give this paper and can came at home as
Bhavya, let me speak better. Character profile is you have to describe that person completely, including
means
all. Bhavya, beta, will you change this habit of yours of speaking in between? You have to describe that person including all these points. What's his name, what his age is, how he looks like, what he's into, what profession he's into. It's not that a person is lost and then these things can help you to find him. No, I'm not telling you that. You have to write completely about this person. What kind of a character this person holds, how he looks, how he appears, what kind of clothes he likes to wear, what kind of clothes you will generally find him in. Sometimes, like your mother wears saris at home. Some children's mother wear suits at home. So you can write that. What does your father like to wear? Does he dress up in denims or does he dress up in normal trousers and shirt? Like that. He's comfortable wearing t-shirts with denims. You have to give proper, complete description about that person. Then what kind of a nature he has. He's very strict by nature, or he's very easy. He's a very easygoing person. He's very jolly natured. What he likes to do. What are his habits? Then what he likes and what he dislikes. And this complete character profile should not look like a form that you have filled a form. Is that clear? Now, anyone has any questions? Yes, beta, ask. What's your name?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was disconnected. So, ma'am, please tell me what is the meaning of profession and occupation?
Profession and occupation is what a person does. Like by profession, a person can be a teacher, doctor, advocate, lawyer, anything. And occupation, he's a businessman, he's a serviceman, what he's into, some job or anything. Got it? Yes, Akshada, say beta. Now, Akshada, you say.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of dance?
What is the meaning of?
Dance.
I can't understand the word beta.
Ma'am, dance.
Can anybody tell me what Akshada is saying?
Akshada, repeat again.
Akshada, nobody is able to understand the word beta. Mute yourself properly, then. Yes, unmute yourself.
Dance.
आवाज है
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm confused in intro. How I will give the intro.
What, Jaskaran?
Ma'am, I am saying I am confused in what intro I will give.
Confused in which point?
Intro.
Introduction. You
Sorry, ma'am.
can start writing by my father is a 40-year-old man, like that. His name is, or my father's name is so and so. He is a 40-year-old man, whatever his age is, like that. Akshata, what are you saying?
The profile.
Yes, you have to write the character profile of your father.
Ma'am means genetic information.
Genetic information. What do you mean by genetic information, beta?
Ma'am, Archana is doing the
Denim.
in the chat box.
Okay, let me see the chat box. What is the meaning of denim? Oh, denims are jeans, beta. Jeans that you wear, blue color jeans, denims. DENIMS. Okay, Akshada?
Ma'am, please show the screen. And ma'am, the heading is character profile.
Yes, character profile, and in bracket you can write my father because you are writing about him. And write it very nicely. Make it a very nice paragraph.
And what is the meaning of appearance?
Beta, appearance means how a person looks, how he appears. Like if suppose I'm going to explain, I'm going to describe you only, Shaurya. So you're a short heighted boy, you have a wheatish complexion, you're a cute looking boy. How you appear.
Ma'am, we have to write sentence or only word. Ma'am,
Yes, yes, beta.
ma'am, what is the meaning of parents?
What is the meaning of pain? Where, beta?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, one person is already talking. What, Jaskaran? Write it in the chat box, beta, what you are asking. No, you don't have to stick your father's photo. Yes.
Please scroll up.
I will send the spelling in chat box.
Please,
Please
ma'am,
scroll
please.
up.
You'll make me mad.
Ma'am, I
Now
have
take a
sent the spelling
screenshot
of-
and then manage yourself. Scroll up and scroll down. I can't do this. Ma'am, we have to write sentences. Yes, it should be properly written in a paragraph. Any other question anyone has? Meaning of appearance. Beta, appearance is how someone looks.
Ma'am, please send on WhatsApp group.
This page you want me to send on WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send it there.
Ma'am, what did we mean confident in?
Confident. What is meant by confident?
Yes,
Beta, confidence is having like being very, you can say smart enough to answer things. Like few personalities are very confident while some are not. They are very
Okay, ma'am.
shy.
Ma'am, can you give some examples of hobbies?
Hobbies. Now, your father's hobbies can be listening to music or maybe reading, or it could be maybe like driving.
Okay. Ma'am, at last, how will we? I will. At last, what will the line I will write?
Okay, in the end, you can say that he is a very well organized person. He likes to manage things very nicely, or he manages things nicely. Or you can write, even if you are including last point as hobbies, you can write his hobbies include watching TV and reading. Or and in the end you can write he takes very good care of all of us. He takes very good care of our family.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
beta, yes.
Ma'am, we have to write an essay on this or paragraph.
Paragraph. You just have to describe your father around these points.
Okay. Ma'am, I have written.
So soon.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what we have to write in nature?
Now, what kind of a nature your father has, beta? Is he very strict or he is very easygoing?
Ma'am,
You can
easy.
easygoing. He's a fun-loving person. He's a very jolly-natured person. He is not very strict. You can write it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written 84 words.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, should I send my work on WhatsApp group?
What? Yes.
Ma'am, I am saying that when we are okay, ma'am. Now I understand. Ma'am, I have done. Should I send my work on the WhatsApp group?
No, no, beta, not so soon. Just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we have to write in second last point?
What?
Ma'am, I can't understand the second last point.
Second last line. Which line you can't understand?
Ma'am, eighth point.
Beta, 8 points. See, these are the points around which you have to explain your father. Now, I don't know what is your 8th point. What are you wanting to? What are you planning to write in the 8th point?
Ma'am, on screen.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Personality. Now, what kind of a personality he is? He's a very bold kind of a personality, or he is very shy, he's very timid, he's not confident, or he is a very bold and confident person who has got guts to do anything. What kind of a personality he has?
Okay, ma'am.
Write in English this one.
What?
मैम what we write in English हमें घूमने जाना बहुत पसंद है.
He likes to travel, or he likes to go out.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after personality, you have given examples.
Yes, what in bracket I have written what kind of personalities, or any, it could be any other than this also. He could be a different from these words also. It is not necessary
And-
that he will be this kind of a person only.
And ma'am, what you have written after shy?
Shy, timid. Timid is like who is not bold. A person who is not very bold.
Ma'am, can you send the spelling in chat box?
Beta, listen to the spelling. It's Timid. Timid.
Ma'am, I have write it of 90, but can I send it on the group?
Yes, send it, beta.
Ma'am, can we send on the group?
Yes, yes, send. Now don't ask, can we send? Just send it. I'll check it.
Ma'am, I have sent, please check. Ma'am, written just currency.
Okay, beta, okay. Okay, Shaurya, beta, make this correction. My father's name is. You have written my father name is.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, sent just.
And Shaurya, what is this line, beta? He wears suit. He looks smart by, okay, he looks smart by wearing suits. He has black hair. He is kind. He is a kind-natured man. He likes playing with us in free time. He dislikes when someone disturbs him. Disturbs when he is doing his office work. Okay. His personality is that he is a confident man. Okay. He is a confident man by personality. His hobby is reading, or his hobby is to read. He takes very good care of me and all of my family members. I love my father very, very, very much. Okay. Now listen, beta. What kind of a hair he has, what kind of a height he has, he's short heighted, he's tall, or what kind of a complexion he has. You have not mentioned that. Mention each and everything, beta. Okay, Kanav, nicely written, beta. But this character profile is lacking a little on the physical appearance side. I feel the same in your this thing also, in your write-up.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, add on a little on how he looks.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes. Beta, I'm checking. Wait.